Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Tony Robinson, a technical sales engineer at Motion Control Products. Are you looking for smoother motion with lower cogging force? Introducing the MMF4 Magnetic-Free Linear Motor, designed for smoother motion, enhanced reliability and reduced electromagnetic interference. The MMF4's low electromagnetic interference makes it ideal for precision applications. Its integrated force design, combined with high-resolution encoders, ensures exceptional positional accuracy, which is perfect for demanding environments. With no magnets in the stator, the MMF4 minimises magnetic hazards during assembly and maintenance. Operators can safely handle the motor with reduced risk of injury caused by magnetic fields, ensuring safer and easier operation. The absence of magnets means metallic particles don't accumulate on the track, reducing wear on both the motor and guide rails. This leads to lower unplanned downtime, less maintenance and greater long-term reliability. Magnetic field modulation technology cuts coil turns by 50%, reducing copper loss by 67% and total electromagnetic loss by 30%, improving the performance of the product compared to conventional linear motors. By lowering magnetic flux density, the MMF4 also reduces magnetic forces, easing guide rail stress, improving durability, ensuring smoother motion and longer operational life. Traditional linear motors with magnetic stators can attract metal debris, causing damage and unexpected downtime. The MMF4's magnetic-free design eliminates this risk entirely, delivering more reliability and consistent performance. Cogging force is minimized using two advanced technologies: the magnetic field modulation and electromagnetic field optimization. This converts low-frequency magnetic fields into high-frequency patterns, allowing system inertia to be naturally filtered out vibration, resulting smooth motion, higher stability and precision. A genetic algorithm further optimizes the MMF4's design, achieving maximum thrust and minimal cogging force, ensuring better running smoothness under all conditions. The MMF4 excels in a wide range of applications, including semiconductor manufacturing such as wire bonding, picking and place, and inspection cameras, laser processing for cutting and marking, electronic production for drilling, scribing, loading and unloading, medical equipment and robotics, as well as digital printing and general automation systems. In addition to the MMF4, we also offer the MMD linear motor modules with force-based widths options of 90 to 210 millimeters. These modules are designed for integration into applications requiring high precision, speed and safety, and are widely used in 3C manufacturing such as LCD displays, photovoltaic systems and medical equipment. The MMD linear modules are ideal for long travel distances and magnetically sensitive applications, offering versatility, seamless integration and exceptional performance across industries. From precision automation to advanced laser cutting and marking, the MMF4 Magnetic-Free Linear Motor delivers smooth, safe and energy-efficient motion. If you are interested in this product and would like to learn more about it, please use the contact details on screen or in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.